For the people interested in militaria. This is commemorating RAAF base.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All the RAAF soldiers here. Bit of rifling in the barrel. It's like the one that we... Jules? What's the catch? This is like the one up at Port...
I think it's like the one near Gawler too.
Yeah, there's one in Gawler like this too, but one up north.
Was it Port Wakefield?
Up at Port Wakefield, they had the same gun. But I'm seeing a plaque. This is bits of leather on it. But there should be a plaque on it somewhere, if I'm right. Don't know. There should be a plaque on it somewhere. There's another plaque down there, but it's on the top of it. It's a 25 pounder. Oh, look at that. The lock on it is Chubb.
Oh, it is too.
It's got a Chubb. Chubb made the breech for it.
Wow.
I've got an old padlock that's a Chubb safe lock, but that's I didn't realise that Chubb made the old breech for it. Or is that? Yeah, it's a breech.
Looks like it.
That's the breech lock. So there you go, Chubb. Can I go around here?
Yeah.
Chubb obviously made the breech blocks for the old guns. There's still some leather and some timber on the back of this as well. Yeah. But she's a 25 pounder, and the 25 pounder shells were made at Port PIRIE, but they're also made at FINSBURY.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we made all the shells for these. But I remember reading that Port PIRIE Ammunition Works also made them as well. You end up doing a lot of reading, don't you? And you come across a lot of stuff. Yeah, she's pretty awesome. Like I said, I know there's a lot of these in situ and war memorials around Australia, but she's pretty awesome. She's got the original breech block on it. It looks like it.
Really good condition.
It's in really good condition. Like I said, there's bits of timber on her, and if you look over here, the old leather.
Oh, wow.
I don't know what that is, but that's obviously something like a tool bag or something, and it's still sitting there. And then there are a lot of other things.
Oh, and the angle.
Yeah, and all the markings on the angle when they put the projectile.
Okay.
So yeah, she's in really good condition. Cradle, 25 pounder, number 5, Mark 1. Before removing front, insert the stop before running back the gun. So when it, something to do with the recoil, I guess, or maintaining the gun before you stop running back or maintaining the gun. All right, but the tires are definitely falling apart, aren't they?
Yeah, they've seen better days.
They've seen better days, but they're still up. They're still solid. All right, well, should we move on? We'll just get one last look at it.